mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 17, 2024, Wednesday racing. Umpisa ng karera alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races as usual. Yung unang 5 races, race 1 to 5, may distansyang 1,200. Yung last 2, race 6 and 7, may distance na 1,400. Ang lingkong ito ay National Disability Right Week. Race 1, first choice number 2, Abalicious. Second choice number 3, Arigato. Race 2, first choice number 3, Destin Guess. Second choice number 5, Make a Difference. Race 3, first choice number 5, Full of Alibi. Second choice number 2, Antique Collector. Race 4, first choice number 3, Ino Teresa Chair. Second choice number 4, Lucky Fortune. Race 5, first choice number 4, Justifiable. Second choice number 1, Carolina Bell. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 10, Star of the Future. Second choice, coupled entry, 8, High Honor. 8A, Hang Loose. Race 7, last Sunday dun sa race 4, congratulations dun sa tumama ng forecast, Shanghai Silk Uticus. Wala po tayo ng Uticus. Yung ating pong first choice, tercero, si Wild is the Wind. Almost lalampas na pero nasuklian. Kaya nag-yoyo na lang at nanatiling tercero. Sana nakadiskarte yung mga may diskarteng Uticus doon sa trifecta. Almost 2,000, 19 plus, at yung quartet 1,600 plus. Ang pang-apat naman ay yung outstanding favorite na Uno. Race 7, last race, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 4, Shine. Second choice, number 8, Helguy. Third choice, number 6, 7 of Diamonds. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!